In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do motion graphics in Canva. We'll build a clean, eye-catching sequence using Canva's built-in animations, and by the end, you'll know how to combine elements, timing, and transitions for a smooth result. Start by opening a video template. Using a video format gives you a timeline and page controls, which makes timing your motion a lot easier. Once your canvas is open, go to Uploads and bring in the image you want to feature. Drag it onto the page and size it to fit the layout you're going for. Next, open the Elements tab. Search or browse for animated graphics and add a circle animation to the page. When it appears, look to the left panel to pick the animation style you like. Subtle motion usually looks more professional, so choose something that supports your design rather than overpowering it. Resize the circle using the corner handles and reposition it to frame or accent your main image. Trim the timing of this first page so the action feels snappy. Use the page duration control and shorten it to keep the pace lively. Add a second page to continue the sequence. Place the same image on this page and enlarge it to create a gentle push-in effect. With the image selected, click Animate. Choose a rotate animation, and then adjust the speed so it complements the motion you already have. A slower rotation often reads more polished. Now add your text. Insert a headline, type your title or keyword, and style it. Change the font to match your brand, pick a color with good contrast, and open Text Effects. Choose Outline for a bold, graphic look. Tweak the thickness and shadow as needed. Then adjust the size and position so the text sits comfortably with the image and animated circle. Between page 1 and page 2, click Add Transition. Select Match and Move, so Canva tracks identical elements and animates them smoothly from their positions on the first page to their new positions on the second. Adjust the transition duration for the rhythm you want, and use the highlight option to emphasize the elements that are being matched. Finally, click Preview to watch the whole motion graphic from start to finish. If anything feels too fast, too slow, or off balance, nudge the durations, positions, or animation speeds until it flows. That's it. You've created a simple, cohesive motion graphic in Canva that you can reuse for intros, promos, and social posts.